Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So, let me introduce myself to you. I am Mishaal. I'm an engineering graduate. I'm a software engineer by profession. I'm passionate in teaching mathematics, so I'm here teaching you. Okay, let's learn maths together. Okay, let's keep it an interactive session so that it will be easy for both of us. Okay, inshallah.
Yes.
Okay, you might ask, why should I study mathematics? You know the story of Adam and Hawa alayhis salam? When Adam was created, there is an ayah in Surah Al-Baqarah which says, وَعَلَّمَ آدَمَ أَسْمَاءَ كُلَّهَا. When Allah created Adam alayhi salam, he had taught him everything, the names of everything, right?
Yes.
Yes. The commentators say that the names of everything is everything of dunya that he was taught. Okay?
Yeah.
So to know Deen so well, we should be well versed in dunya as well. Okay?
Yes.
You know, in Islam, mathematics is a praiseworthy branch of knowledge. It might be interesting to hear because in Islam, like that of medicine, like that of being a doctor and all, even mathematics is also a praiseworthy and most needed branches of knowledge. Okay?
Yes.
While you study mathematics, you can gain rewards. Isn't this interesting? Mathematics parte you can also gain rewards, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, because you have to rectify your intentions. First thing is that you need to rectify intentions while studying. You should make an intention that while studying that you are doing this for the betterment of Ummah, to remove the ignorance in Ummah, and to help out the people of the community after studying. Okay, you know where in all maths is used, Araiba? Where you'll use mathematics in the real time, in real life. Come on, give me some examples, please. You go to a supermarket. You go to a supermarket. There's a business transactions, right?
Yes.
Yes, during the business transaction, you make use of mathematics, right? Yes. And in Islam, divisions of bequests, division of wealth, in inheritance purpose, and all the mathematics is used, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. So you know the importance of mathematics. So being a Muslim, even we can gain rewards by studying maths. Okay, so you should not study. You should not take this maths as a burdensome subject to you. Okay, make it a fun learning, and inshallah you can gain rewards when you are studying. Okay, whenever you are up throughout the night studying maths, you should not feel, why should I study this subject? You should feel like, okay, I'm studying it for doing good for this ummah, or at least for nourishing and raising a good generation, inshallah, good ummah. Okay, inshallah. Okay, inshallah. Chalo. You know what Muslims have contributed for mathematics? There were many mathematicians in Islamic era. You know, Al-Khawarizmi, the name of Al-Khawarizmi comes in the times of the history. He was the father of algebra. The algebra that you study, x plus y gives you 2 or something like that. The beginning of it was done through a Muslim mathematician, right? Subhanallah. So you and I can also be something, give something for this world as well. We can also be something, right? We can also be beacons of knowledge, right? Okay, see, there are a few more examples: Omar Khayyam, Ibn Sina, and more. So do not take this maths as a burdensome subject. This was told just to make clear to you that we can gain reward by reading mathematics as well. Okay, first thing what you have to do is rectify the intentions. Okay, नियतों को दुरुस्त करना है. नियह क्या करना है? What should the niyah be? Do you understand Urdu as well?
Yes.
Yes, mashallah. So it will be both in English and Urdu session, okay? Okay. So chalo. What niya we can make? Rectify the intention that we are to achieve good for yourself, for others, or to meet the needs of needy. After you study, you can serve the community as well, okay?
Yes.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. So while studying maths, you can gain rewards, inshallah ta'ala. Okay? Chalo. Anything and everything beginning with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Chalo, let's start with. Come on, repeat after me. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Okay, whenever we start doing anything, we have to seek help of Almighty Allah, right? In anything, because Allah puts barakah in it. So let's start with the du'as. Du'as for the seeking knowledge. Du'as for husul ilm. Okay?
Yes.
Do you know some du'as for the husul ilm, seeking knowledge? Okay, repeat after me. Rabbi shrah li I can't hear you properly. Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you, Laiba?
Yes, yes. Can you hear me?
Now you're fine. Okay. رب اشرح لي صدري
رب اشرح لي صدري
ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Come on, please repeat after me. Anything and everything, let's seek help of Almighty Allah before starting anything and everything, okay? These are the du'as which you have to learn along with me, and we have to recite this in every class before joining the class, okay?
Okay.
Okay, inshallah, beta. Come on, repeat this after me as well. رب زدني علما
رب زدني علما
رب زدني علما رب زدني علما اللهم
رب زدني
انفعني بما
علما
علمتني اللهم انفعني بما علمتني وعلمني ما ينفعني وزدني علما. Can you please repeat after me? اللهم انفعني بما علمتني
اللهم بما علمتني
وعلمني ما ينفعني
وعلمني ما ينفعني
وزدني علما.
وزدني علما.
اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا
اللهم سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا
وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا.
وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا.
You know what this dua means? Whenever you're stuck in a mathematic problem where you find everything difficult, you just read this dua. Allah will open up your mind and you will feel that this concept is as easy as you think. Okay? So make use of these duas. Keep repeating these duas. Inshallah, you must memorize this as well. Okay? Whenever you start studying, whenever you are stuck in a problem, you have to recite these duas. Okay?
Okay.
Because dua is a weapon of a believer, right?
Yes.
الدعاء سلاح المؤمنين. Subhanallah. Okay. Are you ready with the textbook? Rough book? Pen?
Yes.
Yes. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Keep the textbook on your right. A highlighter to highlight the important points in the next textbook. A rough book in front of you. And a pen. Okay? Okay. As requested, today we will begin with the chapter triangles. Okay? It's the chapter 7th of CBSE curriculum, right?
Yes.
How are you finding this chapter as?
What?
Are you finding it difficult? Are you finding this chapter difficult one?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's make it easy, okay? Inshallah. By the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay. Laibal, come on, tell me what is a triangle?
It is a shape with three sides.
Oh, which is in the screen, right? All these are triangles. Yes, right? All these are triangles. Yes. Any doubt in this, Laiba?
No.
No, these are the triangles. What does a triangle have, Laiba?
It has three sides.
Very good. It has three sides and
three angles. Very
good, mashallah. So we have three sides, three angles. So there are three vertices as well, right? Three vertices. 1, 2, 3 points. Okay? Come on, mashallah. So triangle is a bound figure which has three sides and three angles. So the name tri means three, angles means angles, right?
Yeah.
So triangle is a figure that has three sides and three angles. What is a triangle again? Let's sum up. A closed figure formed by three intersecting lines, which is called as a triangle, right? Tri means three. A triangle has three sides, three angles, and three vertices. Any doubts in this?
No.
Okay. Whenever you have a doubt, stop me there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, come on. Which are the vertices of a triangle here? Come on, tell me which is the sides of the triangle. Mention the sides, Laiba.
AB.
AB is a side. Very good. And
BC and
BC is a side. And CA is a side. Very good, mashallah. Next, excellent. Which are the angles of this triangle, Laiba? Come on, mention this. Mention the angles of this
angle
triangle.
A, angle B, and angle C.
Okay, or we can denote it as angle.
Angle A, angle B, and angle
No,
C.
we can denote these angles as BAC, right?
Oh, like that.
Okay, tell me in that way. Angle BAC or?
Angle ABC.
Yes, very good, Laiba, mashallah. And?
Angle CAB.
CAB is already over. It's same as BAC, right? BAC
Yeah.
or CAB is done. This is done. Okay.
Yes.
The another angle is
BCA.
ABC is done. BCA. Very good. The third angle is BCA. So I've learned to denote the angles and the sides of the triangle. Alhamdulillah. Okay, chalo. Okay. In this curriculum, in your curriculum, you have learned 5 topics to learn under the triangles. Okay. The first thing is congruency of triangles. The another thing is the criteria for the congruency of the triangles. Another is the properties of the triangles. Another is the inequalities of the triangle. These are very easiest topics. If you follow me throughout this class, inshallah, it will become very easy for you. Okay. Okay, Laiba, if I'm going on a faster pace, stop me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, mashallah. So we have congruency of the triangle as the first topic. Okay, let's start with the word congruence. What does congruence mean, Laiba? Okay, I'll teach you. Okay, what's congruence? Congruence is nothing but congruent. The word congruent in English dictionary means equal. Okay, what does congruence mean? You have to repeat after me. Okay, so that it gets into your mind. It means equal in all sense, okay. Laiba, congruence means it is equal in all sense, equal in sides, equal in angles, equal in shape. So you have understood what is congruence?
Yes.
What is it? Congruence is nothing but the shape should also be equal. It should not be like this is a square and this is a triangle and this both are congruent. This cannot be. Okay. Okay, Laiba, it should be the same shape. These two squares are congruent, right? Because they have same shape, they have same size, correct? And they have same angles. Am I right? Am I right? You're not audible? Okay, alhamdulillah.
Yes.
Let's keep it interactive, please.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now you're audible, alhamdulillah. Okay, now please identify the congruent rectangles of this, please. Laiba?
1 and 4.
1 and 4. Very good. Do you have a pen to write on the screen? Are you with a laptop or the tab or anything? Are you with a laptop?
No, laptop.
You're with the laptop. Okay. You can use a mouse. You can use the keypad and write on the screen. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever I ask you to point out on the screen, then please point it on the screen. So which two are the congruent here? Are congruent here?
Should I mark it?
Yes, please.
Okay.
This one and this one, mashallah. Why is it congruent, Laiba? Tell me the two properties of congruency.
Because they're same in shape.
Same shape. First thing, shape, because it is a square and a square, correct? Then second thing, size should be same. The size is same, correct, Laiba? Correct.
Yes.
See, and whatever the angles you can see, matlab it is perpendicular, like line ke jaisa khada hua hai, aisa bend nahi hai, correct? So it is same shape, same size, same angles, correct? So it is congruent. समझ में आ गया? Congruent का मतलब क्या होता है?
Yes.
This can apply in any figure. It might be in circles as well. Two same circles are congruent if it has same shape, same size, same angles. Okay. So we have understood what congruency is. Now let's start with the topic congruency of triangles. Okay, Bismillah. Now tell me what the congruence of triangles might be. Guess what it might be? Two triangles are said to be congruent if it has same size. Let's skip out the shape because we are discussing on the same shape, right? Triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent if they have same sides, correct, and same angles, correct?
Yes.
Because we are dealing with sides and angles in the triangle. What did we discuss at first? Triangles have three important things. What are the three things of a triangle? One is the sides, another is the angles, another is the vertices, right?
Yes.
Maybe. So sides and angles are equal in the congruent triangles, correct? Okay, let's read the statement. What is the congruence of triangles? The congruency of these triangles states that two triangles are said to be congruent if they are copies of each other, correct? Am I right?
Yes.
Two triangles should be copies of each other, and when they are superimposed on each other, when you put this triangle over this triangle, you get exact same copy of it. Correct?
Yes.
They cover each other, right? Okay, so the congruency of the triangle is nothing but two triangles are equal copies of each other, and when you superimpose on each other, then you will get the same triangle. And we can also define as the two triangles are congruent if the sides angles of one triangle are equal to the sides angles of the other triangle. Are you following me, Laiba?
Yes.
Okay, so it's easy concept, right?
Yes.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. So we have two triangles here. Come on, tell me. Does the congruency rule fits here? Yes.
Yes.
Why? Because the sides, this is one of the side, right? This is the
Yes.
another side, and this is another side. They have represented three sides are equal and three angles are equal as well, right or wrong?
Right.
Right. Okay, mashallah. So in the pair of triangles, if all the three corresponding sides and three corresponding angles are equal, then they are called as congruent triangles. Now the topic is clear?
Yes.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Now tell me, in this triangle and first triangle, whether they are congruent to each other or not, Laiba. You do not tell the answer until you have judged this. Okay? Come on, let's start. Let's begin with first side, AB. Okay? Congruency means three sides should be equal and
Yes.
three angles should be equal. This is the key point that you have to remember from three slides, from the previous three slides. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me this and this triangle, whether this and this are congruent or not. Come on, come on, Laiba. Let's do this. Okay, we have AB, correct?
Yes.
They have already given the two lines here, right? Two lines here and two lines. Where is the two lines on this triangle?
DE.
Yes. So AB and DE are equal?
Yes.
Yes. We have AB equals DE. Then, which is next one, Laiba? Come on, mark it on the screen, please. Which two sides are equal? The next, which is mentioned over here?
AC
AC and?
and DF.
Very good, mashallah. AC is equal to DF. Another side, please. Which is another side, beta?
EF is equals to BC.
Very good, mashallah. So we have three sides equal. One property is satisfied, right?
Yes.
Congruency of triangles, three sides are equal. Now tell me about the angles, Laiba.
Angle A is equals to angle D.
Very good, mashallah. Angle A equals D. Then?
Angle B is equals to angle E.
B equals E. Very good.
And angle C is equals to angle F.
MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. So the three angles is satisfied, right? The corresponding three sides and corresponding three angles are equal. So is it? So it is. What is it now? So this triangle and this triangle are congruent, right, Alaiba?
Yes.
Yes. So you have understood the concept of congruency. What does congruency tell you? That three sides and three angles should be equal on this triangle, correct?
Yes.
Yes. When you superimpose this triangle on this triangle, you will get this triangle. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
A over D, correct? A over D.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. So how do you denote that two triangles are congruent? Is this symbol, okay? You write equal to and write a tilde upon it, okay?
Yes.
Yes. So we have a triangle ABC is congruent over triangle, which is another triangle DEF. So you have understood what is the congruency of triangles?
Yes.
Yes, Alhamdulillah, beta. Chalo. We'll see a few more examples. Okay, now you have to tell me which of the triangles are congruent to triangle ABC. This is the problem in which you have to take this as an inference and refer the others and tell me whether this is congruent with others or not. Come on, Laiba. You have to do this problem
Okay.
now by yourself.
Okay.
Chalo. How do you detect this? How do you solve this problem? Chalo. First we'll see this one, this triangle, first triangle and second triangle. Okay, Laiba?
Yes.
Are you following my pace? Or should
Yes.
I be slower?
No, I'm following.
No, I'm fine. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Chalo beta, we have A here, right? There is an angle here, A.
Yes.
Now tell me the corresponding angle in the second diagram.
P.
Yes, very good. So P and A are equal, first thing. The second thing,
Yes.
angle B, which is the corresponding?
Angle Q.
Yes, very good, Laiba, mashallah. And for the angle C, which is corresponding?
Angle R.
Angle R. So all the angles are satisfied, right? Three angles are similar. Three corresponding angles are similar. This is satisfied. Now what we should now what should we look for? We should look for the sides, right?
Sides.
Now let's see. AB, the side AB. Where is the side AB over here now? 4.5 centimeter.
PQ.
Yes, it is a side PQ. Is it same?
Yes.
Yes. So one side is similar. Now next, go to the another side. AC.
BC is RQ.
RQ. AC equals RQ. Very good. So sorry. BC equals RQ. Very good.
BC.
Okay, mashallah. 5 equals 5. So the second, this is satisfied. Okay, then next, AC equals
RP.
RP, mashallah. So three side rule is also satisfied. So this triangle 1 and triangle 2 are congruent. How do you write this? Triangle ABC is congruent over triangle R PRQ. Yes, PQR or PRQ. Okay, beta?
Yes.
Understood? Okay, let's do solve the second one on the screen, beta, please.
Sorry, what?
First and third. Solve it on the screen, please.
Okay.
Which of the triangles are congruent to triangle ABC? The question is triangle ABC and this one.
Okay.
Okay, chalo. Do it on the screen, please.
Angle A is equals to angle F.
Very good.
And angle B is equals to angle D.
Very good.
And angle C is equals to angle E.
Yes, very good.
BA is equals to DF.
Yes, good.
And AC is equals to FE.
Yes.
And BC is equals to DE.
Yes, mashallah. So three angles are satisfied. Three angles, corresponding angles are equal. Satisfied. This rule is satisfied. Three corresponding sides are equal. It is satisfied. Now write the congruency, Aisha. Please write the congruency. How do you write it? Triangle ABC. Yes, please. ABC.
It was actually hard for me to write.
Okay, you are finding it difficult with the mouse. No problem. I'll write it for you. So you can just tell me which and which is congruent. Triangle ABC.
ABC is congruent to angle DEF.
DEF, mashallah. Very good, excellent. How do you write this? This is the congruent symbol, right? You have to remember this congruent symbol, mashallah. Okay, can you find the congruency with first and the fifth figure, please?
Okay. It's not congruent.
And now first let's detect the angles. Let's see about the angles. So the angles are not equal here, right? No angles are equal. The first rule is not satisfied. Now let's see the sides. Are the sides satisfied? No. There's 4.5 here and there's no 4.5 here. So the first and second are non-congruent triangle. First and fifth are non-congruent triangles, right?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, beta. Okay. You know where this congruency of triangle concept is used?
Architecture and all, I think.
Architectural, yes, the architectural note. While doing the designs on the buildings, if they want to do same designs, what they do is congruency of the triangles. Okay, it's the same triangle, they invert and keep in this way. Or in real time example, can you give me some examples like windows? You see the
Yes.
windows of your home. How
Yes.
do they do that? They keep it congruent, right? One
Yeah.
rectangle here, one rectangle here on the same wall, and
Yes.
the adjacent to that they keep the same type of windows, right? So that this congruency of triangles or any objects is used in the real time. Okay, so
Yeah.
we are studying this concept. Okay, for the identical buildings, for the even there are more examples for this, for the carpets and all. Have you seen the geometrical designs on the carpets, on the
Yes.
geometric arts and all? These concepts are used. Okay,
Yes.
okay, alhamdulillah. Chalo. Now, congruency of triangles. How can we decide whether these triangles are congruent or not? We have 5 rulings for that. Okay, to decide whether the two triangles are congruent or not, we have 5 criteria, 5 postulates. These are very easy postulates. Okay,
Yeah.
okay beta, you just have to follow me throughout. Inshallah, you will find it very easy. Okay,
Okay.
okay. If they give you two triangles and tell me whether it is congruent or not. Okay, whether they
Yeah.
are congruent or not, then you have to apply these postulates and tell them that they are congruent or not. Okay,
Yes.
okay, let's begin with the first postulate. The first postulate or axiom or theorem, whatever you call, it is yes as postulate. What does yes as stand for? Yes is nothing but side, angle and side. Okay, okay, are you hearing me? You're not audible
Yes.
to me?
No
Okay,
angle.
okay, alhamdulillah. Yes is nothing but side, angle, side. Okay, let's start. What are the rulings for this postulate? Yes criteria for congruency. Okay, it is nothing but two triangles. Okay, two triangles. Following me? Two
Yes.
triangles are said to be congruent. Okay, there are two rulings for this. They are said to be congruent if, first thing, two sides. Okay, two sides and one angle. Two sides and one angle is equal. That's all. Okay. What is
Okay.
this? What does this postulate tell you? What does this theorem say you? What does this axiom tell you about? It says that two triangles are congruent by itself if only two corresponding sides and one corresponding angle is equal. That's all.
Yes.
Two corresponding side and one corresponding angle is equal. That's all. Okay. What is yes as postulate? Can you tell it for me, please?
Two sides and one angle are equal to the other triangle.
Only then it is called as. Only
Yes.
then these triangles become congruent to each other. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If two sides and one angle are same on both of the triangles, okay, then it is called as congruent triangles. If you repeat after me, then you'll get it. Okay. Chalo,
Okay.
repeat it again. Repeat this again, please. What does yes postulate specify? It says that two sides of a corresponding triangle and
Two.
one angle of a corresponding triangle should be equal to make it congruent. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Now we have two triangles here. Now tell me which are the equal sides here, Laiba?
Side AC and RP are equal,
Are
and
AC and RP are equal. Very good, mashallah, very good. Then
side
which is another side?
side AB and PQ.
Yes, very good. Two sides are equal. And which is an angle which is mentioned
And
here?
angle A is equal to angle P.
So we have two sides and one angle equal. So this satisfy which property, Alaiba? Which theorem,
Yes,
Alaiba?
yes.
Yes postulate or yes criteria. It satisfies yes criteria of congruency. Hence what have we proved now? Hence triangle.
Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle.
Very good, mashallah. So you have understood this concept right now?
Yes.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Another thing, to remember here, Laiba, is if this and this triangle is congruent, then what else comes into picture now? Okay, I'll repeat the question. If this and this triangle is congruent, okay,
Yes.
what else comes into picture is the other sides of the triangles will also be equal, correct? According to the
Yes.
rule of congruency. Congruency is nothing but equal, right?
Yes.
According to the rule of congruency, the others left out sides of the corresponding triangles are equal, correct? Left out sides are also equal. Hence, we call that as CPCT. What does
Yes.
CPCT mean?
Corresponding
Corresponding parts of
congruence
congruent
triangle.
triangles. Understood, Laiba?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me which are the remaining parts that should be equal.
Side CB and RQ.
Side CB, very good. CB and RQ, mashallah, very good, excellent. Which is the remaining angle that should be equal?
Angle C and angle Q.
No beta, how can it be? Angle C, देखो यहाँ पे यहाँ C है, यहाँ ये side है, ये side है.
Yeah.
R
Angle
होता है,
C
correct.
and angle R.
Very good, समझ में आया? So it is angle C and angle R. Then, which is left out?
Angle B and angle
B and
Q.
angle Q. Very good. So this is through which one, Laiba? Because we proved congruency rule, right? Because we proved this, hence we have got corresponding parts of congruent triangles are also equal, right?
Yes.
Mashallah. So you have understood this concept clearly?
Yes.
Any doubts till now?
No.
No, not at all. Alhamdulillah. Now please tell me. Now apply here the SAS postulate. Okay, apply the SAS postulate here, please.
Okay. So
With your on your screen. Yes, please.
Okay. So side BA and side QP are equal.
Very good. Both are equal. Another thing.
Side BC and side QR are equal.
Okay, two things are satisfied.
And angle B is equal to angle Q.
So now what, Laiba?
This is by the rule of SAS.
Very good. By the rule of SCS criteria or SCS postulate, we have proved that triangle what and triangle what are congruent, Laiba?
Triangle ABC and triangle PQR
is congruent to triangle PQR. Very good, mashallah. Excellent. Okay. And another thing
AC is equals to
CPCT means now AC equals PR. Very good, mashallah, alhamdulillah. This and this are equal and more.
And angle A is equal to angle P.
Very good. Barakallahu fiki.
Is equals to angle R.
Mashallah, alhamdulillah. So because of the ruling CPCT, what does CPCT imply, Laiba? Tell me.
Corresponding parts of congruence triangle. Very
good, mashallah. So you understood what is CPCT and when do we apply this? Alhamdulillah. So, chalo, we have an example problem. It's very easy. Chalo, we are starting with, they have given us a question. OA equals OB. Question mein unhone de diya hai. What is given? First, what we do is we write what is given. Okay. Yahan pe OA equals OB. It's given. OA equals OB. This is given, right? Next, OD equals OC. What is given is OD equals OC. ठीक है. अब इन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा है, show that triangle AOD and triangle BOC are congruent. चलो, let's see which is the triangle AOD. This is a triangle AOD, right? Yes. Which is the triangle CBO? The triangle at upper side, right?
Yes.
Okay, mashallah. Now, first thing, we have a ruling here that, okay, we have an angle here as well, right? Why did they specify this and this angle equal, Laiba? You do not know? Okay, it is because whenever you draw an X line, okay? Whenever and whichever, if you measure the angle of this and angle of this, it will always and always be equal, okay? Always be equal. If you do not know, you have to remember it now. Okay.
Interior opposite angles are
Yes,
equal.
vertically opposite angles will always be equal. If you draw an X now, and if you measure this and this angle, this will be equal. Correct?
Yes.
This and this angle will always be equal. That's the hard and fast rule. Okay, it's applied everywhere. समझ में आ क्या? अब हमारे
Yes.
पास दो साइड्स हैं और एक एंगल मिल गया हमको. करेक्ट? कौन सा एंगल है वो? COP is equal to angle AOD. Because यहाँ पे साइड में आपने रूलिंग लिखना है because of vertically. Come on, repeat after me. Vertically
Opposite angles are always equal.
always equal. Mashallah. Opposite angles are equal. Okay. Alhamdulillah. So we have one side O equals OB. Correct? This side is
Yes.
equal to this side, already given. This side is equal to this side, already given. And we have one angle. So which postulate can we apply, Laiba? अब तक हमने एक ही सीखा है. Side, angle,
Yes.
side. एक ही
Yes.
postulate सीखा है ना? By applying side angle side postulate, we have proved that. What did we prove here, Laiba? Triangle.
Triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC.
Very good, excellent, mashallah.
The
Alhamdulillah.
side AD is equals to CB.
Now
CBCD.
let's see the congruent parts. Very good. चलो अब congruent parts देखते हैं. Okay, ये हो गया. अब congruent parts CPCT देखेंगे. अब चलो next क्या लिखते हैं हम? Can I clear the screen down now?
Yes.
Yes. So we've understood till now whatever I have discussed. Yes,
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. तो चलो. Okay, I've cleared the screen. अभी we have proved that this angle, this and this triangles are congruent, right? अब हमें CPCT का मतलब होता है corresponding parts of congruent triangles देखना है. Which are the corresponding parts? Laiba, चलो, Bismillah.
CB and AD.
This are equal. Very good. This and this are equal. Okay, next. Parts पूरे equal हो गए, right?
Angle C.
Now angles. Angle C.
Angle C is equals to angle A.
No. एक बार फिर से इससे देखो आप.
Angle D. Angle D.
क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ देखो, यहाँ वन ये और ये इक्वल है, ये और ये इक्वल है. करेक्ट?
Yes.
तो this is followed with this, right?
Yes.
समझ में आ रहा है? So this should be followed with this, right, Laiba? You should not get
Yes.
confused here. You have to remember the sides as well while you're deducting the angle. So angle C is equal to
Angle D.
very good, excellent, mashallah. Now tell me, angle B is equal to
Angle A.
angle B is equal to angle A. Very good, mashallah. You know a property of a parallelogram? Angle B equals
No.
okay, angle D. Parallelogram में क्या होता है कि we draw two parallels in upper and lower side. Okay. If you draw true parallel lines, it's just a theorem. Okay, if you draw true parallel lines and write it in Z shape, can you see a Z here?
Yes.
Yes. Abhi, the interior opposite angles. Which is the interior angle here, Laiba? This one, right? One.
Yes.
And another angle is this one. Correct? This will always be equal. Okay? This is a property which you had learnt in previous class, but I think you do not remember it. Okay?
Yes.
What is this? When two sides are parallel, parallel का मतलब होता है दो भी एक ही पेस में जा रहे हैं. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. When two sides are parallel, sides को समझ में आ गया? Which is parallel side here? This one and this one. When two sides are parallel, then if you draw an intersection to it, then the interior opposite angles, okay, alternate angles बोलते हैं इसको. What do we say for this?
Interior.
We call this alternate angles. Okay, Laiba, देखो यहाँ अगर ऐसा आपने Z ड्रॉ किया तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल होता है हमेशा. In alternate opposite angles are equal. Okay.
Yeah.
If this and this line is parallel. Okay. If this and this line are parallel, then the alternate opposite angles are equal always. ये Z को आप उल्टा भी लिख सकते हो. If you write Z in this way, if this line and this line is parallel, then tell me which is the interior opposite angles, interior alternate opposite angles.
This.
This and this. Very good. Alhamdulillah. So you have understood the concept now.
Yes.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. So हमारे पास क्या था, CPCT. ये just मैंने समझाया आपको. अब हम वापस ये क्वेश्चन को आ जाते हैं. Let's come back to the question. We had CPCT according to the corresponding parts of congruent triangles. We had this one, that C angle B is equal to angle A, correct?
Yeah.
Because of the ruling of CPCT, we had this, right? We did not see the alternate angles yet, correct? We are just looking into the congruent part of the corresponding parts of the congruent triangles, correct? This B is equal to A and angle D is equal to
Angle C.
C. Why is it so, Laiba? Because of this ruling. We had already proved this, right?
Yes.
We already proved congruency, so all this was understood, self-understood. Now we have to prove that these both are parallel. How can we prove that? It is because of this ruling. Because angle B is equal to A and angle D is equal to C, they are, what are they? Alternate interior alternate opposite angles. Am I right, Laiba, now?
Yes.
Yes. So this is self understood. Angle CBO and OBD are alternate opposite angles for, just remember this Z, okay? This Z, right? This is a Z. Which is interior opposite angles, angle B and angle A. So now BC is parallel to AD. Can we derive this? BC is parallel to AD? Yes, because both of the angles, alternate angles, are equal, hence BC is parallel to AD. Khatam. समझ में आ गया? It's just very simple. I just explained to you in depth because you didn't remember the concepts which were previously taught in previous classes. Okay?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. It's very easy, right?
Yes.
Did you find anything difficult here?
No.
No, mashallah. Chalo. We'll discuss next problem. So we have a triangle here, right? PAB is a triangle, correct?
Yes.
Okay. The question given here is AB is a line segment and line L is its perpendicular bisector. Bisector का मतलब क्या होता है, Laiba? What does bisector mean? You know, bisector is nothing but एक line जो एक और line को perfectly half में divide कर देती है. What does a bisector mean? What does a bisector mean by? It divides a line in perfect halves. Understood?
Yes.
In perfect halves. Now, which is the bisector here they have told in the question? Line L. Okay, this line is a bisector for which line, Laiba?
A and C.
Line AB, for the line AB, this is the triangle they have. Okay, it is ABP. Okay, understood? For this triangle, what they did was a line L perfectly bisected it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now the point produced here on the line AB is C. Okay. Bisector का inbuilt ये क्या है? मैंने बताया. What does the meaning of bisector is? It divides the line AB into perfect halves. Correct? Correct or wrong?
Yes.
तो यहाँ पे AC is equal to CB?
Yes.
Yes. Why is it so? Because they have told that it is a bisector. एक और चीज बताया उन्होंने कि it is perpendicular. What does perpendicular mean? Perpendicular का मतलब होता है 90 degree. Okay? You have to remember this. Please write these key notes in your rough book, please. Whatever I say in the side by side points, you have to write this. Okay?
Yes.
Bisector का मतलब क्या हुआ? This will be very useful, okay, in the next problems and all. Bisector का मतलब क्या है? A line that divides the other line in perfect halves. In the perfect half, okay? Yes. Bisector का मतलब क्या था? Then नथिंग वाज परपेंडिकुलर का मतलब क्या है, 90 डिग्री को हमेशा परपेंडिकुलर बताते हैं, ओके।
Yes.
यस, तो अब उन्होंने हमें व्हाट दे हैव गिवन हियर इज, फर्स्ट थिंग इज एक परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है। बाइसेक्टर जब हम ड्रॉ करते हैं तो हमें टू रूलिंग्स पता चल गए। व्हाट डिड बी नो, व्हाट डिड वी डिराइव फ्रॉम दिस, AC इज इक्वल टू CB, फर्स्ट थिंग, करेक्ट। Why is it so, Laiba? Because it's given that it is a perpendicular bisector, correct?
Yes.
Bisector. The second thing here is perpendicular. यहाँ देखो perpendicular लिखा हुआ है। यहाँ ये लाइन perpendicular है, इसका मतलब ये है कि यहाँ वो एंगल 90 डिग्री फॉर्म करता है। अगर एक साइड 90 डिग्री फॉर्म हुआ तो नेक्स्ट another side will also be 90 degree. Why is it so, Laiba? Because एक
Sorry, what?
perpendicular का मतलब क्या होता है, एक लाइन पे वो 90 डिग्री फॉर्म किया है, करेक्ट।
Yes.
Yes, if a line has 90 degree on one side, okay, तो other side क्या होता है उस line का? What is the angle on the other side? Do you know that? What it
90
is?
degree.
वो क्यों 90 डिग्री है लाइबा? Why is it 90 degree? Because
Because
ये
this
एक
is
लाइन जो है,
280.
it is total is 180 डिग्री ना।
Yes.
Yes, तो बचा कितना बचा है 90 डिग्री में? 90 डिग्री बचा हुआ
20.
है, राइट। सो दिस इज 90 डिग्री एंड दिस इज 90 डिग्री, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। सो यू अंडरस्टूड इट, राइट। सो
Yes.
हमारे पास दो चीज दिए गए हैं, AC इज इक्वल टू CB एंड दिस इज 90 डिग्री एंड दिस इज 90 डिग्री। तो हमारे पास AC इक्वल CB है। वी हैव वन साइड बिकॉज बाइसेक्टर की वजह से, करेक्ट।
Yes.
Now the thing is angle ACP, correct, and angle BCP is equal. Is it equal?
Yes.
Yes. तो एक एंगल मिल गया, एक साइड मिल गया। अब हमारे पास क्या चाहिए, हमें एक और साइड चाहिए, राइट।
Yes.
एक और साइड बताओ मुझे लाइबा, क्विकली, इट्स वेरी इजी नाउ। देखो ये ट्राइंगल है हमारे पास, एक और ये ट्राइंगल है, करेक्ट।
Yes.
दो ट्राइंगल्स हैं, हमें दो ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट बताना है। कैसे बता सकते हैं हम? देखो यहाँ पे देखो, वी हैव
AP is equals to BP.
no beta, we do not have anything that mentions AP is equal to PB, but we have one thing in common, PC, correct।
Yes.
PC देखो, ये लाइन देखो आप, PC।
Yes.
यस, वो ये ट्राइंगल में भी PC है और ये ट्राइंगल में भी PC है, करेक्ट।
Yes.
तो द लाइन इज सेम, राइट।
Yes.
सो PC इज इक्वल टू PC। तो हमारे पास क्या क्या मिले, हमें दो साइड्स मिले, राइट। We have two sides and one angle, so we have yes, A, yes, postulate. Now, are we right? Are you following me?
Yes.
समझ में आ रहा है जो भी सीख रहे हो?
Yeah.
Okay, mashallah. So with the yes, yes postulate, both of this triangle are congruent. समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Yes. अब ये दो ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन उन्होंने पूछा है, शो दैट P इज इक्विडिस्टेंट फ्रॉम A एंड B। अब उन्होंने पूछा है कि PA एंड PB इक्वल बताओ। हम कैसे बता सकते हैं PA एंड PB इक्वल? CP,
CP. Yeah.
ओके, कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्राइंगल। अब हमने कॉन्ग्रुएंसी प्रूव कर दिया, राइट।
Yes.
यस, तो अब रिमेनिंग साइड्स बताओ लाइबा मुझे। कैन आई रेज दिस डाउन नाउ? आपने
Yes.
लिख लिया सब कुछ?
Yes.
आपको साथ में लिखना है, ओके। व्हाटएवर आई से यू नीड टू राइट इट डाउन इन योर बुक। चलो, लेट्स प्रूव द इक्विडिस्टेंट पार्ट नाउ, ओके। हमने कॉन्ग्रुएंसी प्रूव कर दिया। वी हैव टू राइट डाउन दिस वन एंड दिस वन शुड बी प्रूव्ड। हाउ कैन वी प्रूव दिस इज, फर्स्ट हमारे पास दिस एंड दिस आर इक्वल है, दिस एंड दिस आर इक्वल है, एंड दिस वन इज इक्वल टू दिस है। अब हम बचा, व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग इज दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल। एंगल A इज इक्वल टू
Angle
एंगल
B.
B बिकॉज ऑफ CPCT। और क्या बचा हुआ है? एंगल APC इज इक्वल टू एंगल CPB,
Yes.
वो भी इक्वल है। एंड द लास्ट रिमेनिंग थिंग इज दो साइड्स भी इक्वल हैं, करेक्ट। AP
Yeah.
इज इक्वल टू PB। हेंस क्या है? शो दैट P इज इक्विडिस्टेंट फ्रॉम A एंड B। इसका मतलब क्या है? ये P A से भी उतना ही डिस्टेंस है, B से भी उतना ही डिस्टेंस है। इसका
Yeah.
मतलब क्या है? PA एंड AB आर इक्वल। हेंस लिखकर ये लिख दो आप, ओके। हेंस P इज इक्विडिस्टेंट फ्रॉम A एंड B, दैट्स ऑल, प्रूव्ड, ओके। समझ में आ गया आपको?
हाँ.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Next we have ASA postulate. ASA postulate का मतलब क्या होता है? Angle,
Angle, side angle.
angle, side angle. Okay. आपको स्कूल में कितना कवर है बेटा? How much portion is covered? How much syllabus is covered? In
Chapters,
the
yes.
triangles. In this triangles, how much syllabus is covered?
No, the whole chapter is finished.
Whole chapter is finished. Okay, so you might have so जब मैं सिखा रही हूँ तो मैं समझ में आ रहा है कि already?
हाँ.
Okay, माशा.
I've
Oh,
written
difficult.
exam of this also.
Okay, okay. Easy था क्या?
No, it was a little hard.
Okay, अब easy लग रहा है?
हाँ.
Okay, माशाल्लाह. So we have an ASA postulate. ASA postulate के लिए 2 rulings है, 3 rulings है, 2 angles and एक side equal होना चाहिए. What is the criteria for ASA postulate? Laiba, 2 triangles are congruent if 2 angles and, come on, tell me, 2 angles and,
2 angles in one side.
yes, very good, and one side should be equal to the corresponding triangle, right? 2 angles of a triangle and one side of a triangle should be equal to the 2 angles of the corresponding triangle and the side of the corresponding triangle. Yes, 2
Yeah.
angles and the side of one triangle should be equal to the corresponding 2 angles on the side of another triangle. Done?
Yes.
Chalo. Yes, a postulate. Now tell me, how do you mark this now? Chalo, Laiba, ASA postulate. Apply ASA postulate soon.
It's marked already.
Okay, now apply it and tell me. What are the angles now, Vita? Angle?
Angle C is equals to angle R.
Yes, very good. Angle?
Angle B is equals to angle Q.
Very good. Which is the side?
Side CD is equals to QR.
Okay, mashallah. So according to this postulate, ASA postulate, there are 2 angles that are equal and one side that is equal, right?
Yes.
Okay, so by applying this postulate, we can prove the congruency of the triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So triangle ABC and PQR are congruent, correct?
Yes.
Now tell me the rest of the sides, Laiba, which are congruent because of the ruling. Which is the ruling, Laiba? CP?
CPCT.
Come on, tell me what is this?
Corresponding sides of congruent triangle.
Yes, mashallah. Very good. Okay, come on, let's solve this. ASA postulate.
Yes.
Tell me the remaining part,
Side,
CPCT.
side AC is equals to QP.
AC is equal to QP. Okay.
Side AB is equals to PR.
Is it right, Laiba, what you have told now? यहाँ पे देखो, this one and this one was equal, right?
Yes.
अब हमें ये इसके लिए ये है, इसके लिए ये है, correct?
Yes.
तो which and which one side, Laiba?
Side AC is equals to PR.
Very good. समझ में आ गया अब क्या? What was the mistake done was आपने इसको ये बताया. It is wrong. ऐसा करोगे तो congruency prove नहीं होगी. Correct? So angle भी देखना है जब आप side बताते हो, okay? You have to check the angle कि मैं correct बता रही हूँ या नहीं. ठीक है? चलो. So ACB के angle की जगह यहाँ पे QRP है. ठीक है? तो यहाँ PR is left over, AC is left over, तो ये और ये equal है. Correct?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Now AB and which is equal, beta?
PQ.
PQ are equal. Very good. So according to ASA postulate, we have proved all of this. CPCT because of corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. Okay. We'll see an example now again. चलो मुझे बताओ कैसे प्रूव करोगे आप? इन्होंने क्वेश्चन में बताया AB is parallel to another line segment CD. AB कहाँ पे है? This is AB. It is parallel to CD. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ये AB is parallel to CD का मतलब है I have told you already if the two lines are parallel then what is equal, Laiba? Alternate, opposite, interior, alternate, opposite angles are equal. Z shape बताओ आप मुझे कौन सा equal है? Angle, which is equal बेटा?
Angle D and angle A.
Very good, माशाल्लाह. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? First thing what we have is angle D is equal to angle A. Then हमारे पास क्या है? Which more angle we have? Angle C is equal to angle B. Very good. Angle C is equal to angle B. Another thing which is already mentioned here is zero. O is the midpoint of AD. यहाँ पे उन्होंने mention किया है. O is the midpoint of AD. तो OD and AD. Midpoint का मतलब क्या होता है? एक line को perfectly half divide कर रहे हैं वो, correct? So OD is equal to OA. So OD equals OA. हमारे पास दो angles हो गए, correct? एंड एक साइड हो गया, राइट? सो कौन सा पोस्टुलेट हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? ए, वेरी गुड, साइड इज डन, खत्म. सो व्हाट हैव वी प्रूव्ड? एंगल AOB इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल DOC. दिस इज डन. ओके. और उन्हें पूछा है O is also the midpoint of BC. You should show that O is also the midpoint of BC. How will you show now? You will apply the CPCT, okay? Yes. And prove that this is equal to this. You know that now. You know that OC is equal to OB, right? Yes, very good. OC equals OB, hence OC and OB are equidistant to each other, hence O is the midpoint of BC. Yes. Correct? That's all. We are done with the problem. Alhamdulillah. A से postulate समझ में आ गया? Yes. Yes. इसी का एक small modified version है, इसको AAS postulate कहते हैं, ठीक है? Same ASA का modified version है AAS. ASA में क्या होता था बेटा? I'll just to show you how. ASA में होता था कि दो triangles रखते थे वो, okay? Can you follow me? यहाँ का angle, अब चलो इसको हम ABCD लिख देते हैं. यहाँ का angle दिखाकर यहाँ का angle equal दिखाते थे, okay? This A and C is equal, B and D is equal, okay? और the side यही दिखाते थे, okay? Side angles के जो भी साथ में रहता था वो side दिखाते थे, okay? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? ASA पोस्टुलेट में ये एंगल्स के साथ जो साइड आई है, ये दो एंगल्स के साथ ही, मतलब ये एक लाइन में ही आया, देखो ये साइड और ये एंगल्स के साथ जो साइड आई है उसको उन्होंने ASA पोस्टुलेट बताया. लेकिन AAS पोस्टुलेट में देखो, नेक्स्ट पोस्टुलेट में ये और ये इक्वल है, ओके? ये ट्रायंगल्स देखो आप, ओके? एंगल B is equal to एंगल E, करेक्ट? Yes. एंगल C is equal to एंगल F. लेकिन इसके साथ यहाँ पे साइड उन्होंने दिखाया, ओके? दिस इज इंक्लूडेड स्लाइड नहीं दिखाया हमने. A पोस्टुलेट में ऐसा दिखाया था, करेक्ट? यहाँ एक्सक्लूडेड साइड दिखाया है उन्होंने, ओके? सिर्फ इतना डिफरेंस है, लेकिन आपको यू डू नॉट हैव टू रिमेम्बर दिस. यू कैन राइट ASA और AAS एज वेल इन द एग्जाम, ओके? Okay, but यहाँ देखो, यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? What's the difference between AAS and ASA is AAS में when two angles are non-included side, याद रख लो, non-included side. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? It's all the same as ASA. इससे पहले हमने सीखा था ASA, right? Yes. ASA postulate and AS are same, लेकिन included side था, यहाँ non-included side के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. That's all, okay? You don't have to worry, you don't have to go in deep, just you have to see what this states, okay? AAS का मतलब होता है two sides are equal, sorry, two angles are equal, two angles are equal, correct? But the included side के बारे में नहीं बताया जा रहा. Excluded side, इसके साथ जो side है वो नहीं, excluded side जो other side है, okay? Those are equal, okay? Okay. Yes. Yes, alhamdulillah. Are you bored? No. Tired?
Yeah, actually, I want to ask you, how long will our class be?
It's 1 hour. It's exactly 1 hour. You had joined late to the class. You had joined in 40. I was waiting for 10 minutes, so this class will end now. It will be almost an hour.
Class will also be 1 hour only.
Abita, what did you say?
So after this, if you're having class, it will be 1 hour only.
No, it won't be 1 hour. It will be almost 45 minutes. Today you joined late, and there was introduction part today as well, right? Yes. So we have to drag this topic. We'll study the exercise in tomorrow's class, inshallah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, beta. You're tired, I guess, right?
No, actually, I have exam on Sunday, so I have to study for that.
Okay. You can study for that. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
inshallah. Okay, alhamdulillah. So, any doubts in whatever we have studied today?
No, no.
No doubts, mashallah. Okay, mashallah. So let's recap whatever we have studied so that it gets easier for you. Okay, we had studied triangles today, then the congruency of the triangles, right? Then the criteria of congruency of the triangles, we have studied SAS postulate, ASA postulate, and AES postulate. 3 postulates are done. Tomorrow we will see the exercises on all of these, okay?
Okay.
Okay, inshallah. So, chalo. So I had to give you some homework for tomorrow. I'll send you on the WhatsApp. Kindly write it down and come, okay? Inshallah.
Okay.
Okay, Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a good day.
Same to you.
Okay, beta. Okay, subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.